Hello and welcome to How to Play Easthaven Solitaire. The game is played with one player. To play, you will need a 52-card deck. Lay out 7 piles of cards in a row. Each pile should have 3 cards, 2 face down and 1 face up. This layout is known as the tableau. The remaining deck is placed face down to the side. The object of the game is to move all the cards onto the foundation piles. There are 4 foundation piles, 1 for each suit. Each pile starts with an ace and is built up to the king. Cards within the tableau can be moved to another card in the tableau by building down, alternating between red and black suits. For example, you can put a black 4 on a red 5. When a face-down card becomes the top card of a pile, the card is flipped face up. Cards continue to be moved within the tableau in descending order with alternating colors. When an empty space is created within the tableau, any card or sequence of cards can be moved to the empty space. Once an ace is found, it can be used to start a foundation pile. When there are no more moves to be made within the tableau, a card is dealt face up to each column from the draw deck. Play continues with the player trying to get all the cards into the foundation piles. If you successfully move all the cards onto the foundation piles, the game is won. If you have dealt all the cards from the deck and there are no more moves to make, the game is lost. When dealing from the deck, there should be no empty spaces in the tableau if possible. The last deal from the deck will only have 3 cards. These cards are placed on the first 3 tableau columns. That wraps up How to Play Easthaven Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.